maliit, no? Wow, left, right. Mga ba? Oh, wow. Flash
Oh,
of it.
Ulo niya eh. Look at when he bloodline, the fighter we saw.
Aha.
Nagkakapigulan eh. Movement niya. Jerusalem, 23 years old. Si Canoy, 23 years old. Ang kanilang taas.
In the blue corner, official weight 105 pounds, Canoy J.C. Wangcha. In the red corner, official weight 106 pounds, Sing Melvin Gringo Jerusalem.
Pal, ha? No headbutt, no low blows, wise tumbag sa layo na. Aminaw, firme, ha? Protect yourself at all times. Touch gloves, good luck.
So medyo maganda ang pasok ng kumpiyansa.
Break!
Dito kay
Niya para-
nagkahalo-halo na eh.
Kahit saan pwede.
Oh.
Record ni Canoy, 12 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw.
Yun
He
nga.
lost nga in
Natalo
that
siya.
minimum weight championship.
Ito
So-
po ay 105 pounds.
Oo,
ha?
minimum
Can you
weight.
imagine, ha? Kaya minimum weight eh. Well,
Not so tall, di ba?
Oo.
Pero kahit na paglalaki,
Oo.
talagang maliit, no? Wow, left-right combo from Jerusalem.
Break!
Mamahawak si... Whoop.
oh, big right hand. Pero tinamaan.
Ayun.
Tinamaan din si Melvin Jerusalem. And he felt it.
Mahataw si...
Both
10
fighters
seconds,
hurt.
10
But
seconds.
Jerusalem...
First round. Whoa,
Good!
hot action.
Oh,
Sa umpisa ng mga over 110 na sila
oh,
pareho,
oh,
no? After that.
lost weight.
Okay, so Jerusalem, naka-blue. Again, not ang mga ba... Oh, wow. Flash of heads
Kanina
again.
pa yan. Kanina
Oo.
pa yan. I think the
Kasi si
southpaw.
Southpaw.
Talagang magkakauluhan niya.
Right foot and the left foot are like
Oo.
so close.
Pwede kang madulas. Magkapa ka ng paa. Trying to wait for Jerusalem to come in. Oh, good
solid.
shot. Prevent any damage for low blows.
Naghahanap ng Canoy yung kanyang left straight.
Stop!
Saan naman para kay Jerusalem.
Jersey from Nicaragua, Daniel Diaz.
The former world title challenger Daniel kakaroon ng parang waiting sequence.
10 seconds!
Wow.
Oh, parang maingat
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Merong
Magkamali ka.
known as Canoy Singwang Cha in Taro.
Oh, there. Good right.
Punches Jerusalem. Palundag yung suntok niya eh. Dala yung ulo niya eh. Look at when he throws the right hand.
This is a 10-round fight.
Yes, 10 rounds ito.
Then after this, si Prince Albert Pag-1. Diane Casiliao po kasama si Attorney Ed. We miss you, Ronnie.
Yeah.
Bakan sa minimum weight division.
Break!
At nasa corner ni
Move.
Jerusalem. Really good fundamentals in
Oo.
boxing, no? Super disiplinado.
He was anywhere around the globe si Michael Domingo.
Kanina pala yung si Esnet Domingo
Go, go,
pamang...
Kaya naman
Ay, go,
pala
go.
nasa bloodline. The fighter we saw action. Oh, good left by Jerusalem.
Nakalabas
Okay,
na
10
tape
seconds.
is
10 seconds! Basta wait,
Good
minute!
intentionally.
Ginagamit talaga yung loose tape para iwas-iwas sa mata mo.
Oh,
Para,
dancing dito sa
oh, good one.
live. Magaan, 105-pound weight division. Na to
Keep your
raise
blows
his
up.
punches, yeah.
At sinabihan din naman si Canoy na huwag mo naman itulak yung ulong pababa. Kaya,
Kasama ulo, pinapasok yung
kaya
ulo.
napakadelikado makakounteran siya dyan.
Nga, no?
Oo. Pero na-champion si ni Canoy. His momentum carries his head. Nadadala siya, sumasadsad siya kapag it's a good counter puncher.
Canoy in gray shorts, also going by the name Sing Wancha. Jerusalem from the Ala stable in blue.
The Blonde Bomber. Division 112. So all those years, ilan lang ang nadagdag.
Break!
Sa makakatayo so that he will get a disqualification win. So yung ngayon, binago na ang kalakaran at sinasabing hindi, sabi,
Yeah.
ang low blow.
10 seconds!
Oh, good right hand by Jerusalem.
Hot na hot.
Nagkakapigulan eh.
Oo.
The crowd
Whoa.
loving it.
At ngayon, mapapakinggan natin siya sa DZMM every 8 o'clock pag Saturday. Balik tayo sa boxing dito. Mainit ang
Oh,
aksyon
mainit.
dito sa minimum weight division.
A lot of headbutts. So,
Walang duguan.
oh, yun naman, no?
This is a 10-round fight. Nasa round showing is light feet. Parehong nasa kondisyon ng dalawang fighter.
Oh, good. Okay.
Last month, bago.
His balance. Kailangan ayusin niya yung balance niya, no? Yung, I'd like to see him work on that left jab, right straight combination. Sumasadsad siya eh. Nadadala siya ng kanyang momentum.
Mainit ang ilaw dito sa ibabaw ng ring. Mainit rin ang aksyon. ABS-CBN.
Ito ang fish stick telenovela.
Kaya natin, overseas talagang inabangan to yung boxing. Wow,
Good
action here right in front of us dito sa
Jerusalem.
NC Jerusalem.
Maganda mapatama ni Jerusalem. A little bit
Wow,
wild, but
very active here ang dalawang boxingero. For light talaga.
nagkakapigo na rin.
Ooh.
Nicknames na yan sapagkat yan po ang
Okay,
magiging
break.
tuktok natin.
Stop.
At
Okay,
ang
go.
mga Oo nga, no, yung isa taga
What a
Tanzania.
name.
Good luck.
Good luck, Mirema. Yung head movement niya, kailangan ayusin. World title challenger. Early this year.
Regular nang lumalaban to si Jerusalem sa...
Oh, good left hook by Jerusalem.
Wow,
Okay, break.
tugan talaga.
Parang tingin ko malapit eh. No?
Oo nga eh.
Look at the lack of head work on that left jab, Jerusalem. Work on that left jab.
Okay.
Para yung good left pasok. Delikado yan eh. Ganyan yan. Look at that oh. Exposed
no
sa
leg.
count. He's waiting for the
Na
big counter.
magtatapos. 10-round fight.
Eagle. Can't put his punches together. Medyo kulang sa
Ayun.
community. Ayun.
Stop.
On division fight. Parehong maliksi itong dalawang fighter.
Oo. Pasimple lang. Oh. Talaga magkakapikunan itong dalawang to.
With a record, 12 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw. Si Jerusalem.
That fight went the distance. Jerusalem.
Oh!
That's a knockdown. That's na pang hinihintay ni Canay. Sinasabi ko na he is susceptible to a counter punch.
Tama, tama. Wow. Iinit si Kanoy. Going for broke. With
That
a
was a
smile
knockdown.
on his face. Si,
Samba ka lang. Oh, good left-right combination.
ayan. Sinusubukan to see a replay mamaya after this
Oo.
round. And, oh,
Okay, stop.
parehong palaban. Pinoy versus Pinoy.
Lunging in.
Yun nga sinasabi ni Attorney Ed kasi yung ulo niya. And then tamang-tama yung counter ni Kanoy. Ayun, uy, uy, uy.
Reklamo na naman.
Ayun. Action. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh! Big shots being thrown by Jerusalem.
Wow.
Bagay, feeling niya naisahan siya.
Good.
Pero matapang to si
Headbutt, ha? Trying to
Yeah.
headbutt again.
From underneath, no?
I think right now Jerusalem is getting
Frustrated,
frustrated. Yun ang
yes.
nakikita natin dito. And hook, which is
Taas,
delivered
taas,
after.
taas.
Jerus-
Box.
Sinabi naman si Kanoy na huwag ka nang masyadong hawak. Oh, good right hand by Jerusalem. Nili. Alam mo.
Similar nga sila, no?
Oh, parang awkward yung kanil. Kanoy proving to be one stubborn opponent.
Yeah, sa umpisa.
Oh, good left.
Good job. Pagara and Mark Magsayo para
Three
sa Regional
hard-hitting
Belt
prospect.
Championship. Samantala, balik po tayo dito sa laban.
Itong si Jerusalem. I think Kanoy might want to really, instead of waiting too long, sabayan na niya. Jerusalem before delivering that right. Look at that, off balance. Poor leg deliver niya. Almost,
Suntok, no?
usually sa legs doon nag-generate yung power ng suntok.
Plant
Oh,
and then let loose.
that's the way to do it, no? At yun, look at that. That's the problem of Jerusalem.
Concerned ang corner ni Jerusalem.
Oo, may knockdown na na-score nung round.
And last 30 seconds, sa round 9.
Oh, Jerusalem. We don't know if the knockdown will be enough. Referee banal kay Kanoy. Ayun, humahawak na naman si Kanoy. Pasimple lang.
Oh. Jerusalem in blue and Kanoy in gray. After action pack.
Mas baka may si
This
Jerusalem.
round might.
Wow,
Oh,
yun,
oy, got
kanan.
through. Yung kanan. Oy, oy,
Oh,
oy!
yan, the same
Wow.
problem.
Ano, na
Yan ang i-address
corner
nila.
ni Jerusalem, makikita nila yun. Oh, yun.
Or we might want him to move up in
Oh.
weight, make him grow this minimum weight class, Jerusalem. And again, he got caught again. Number one, when he got rocked. That has to be addressed. Look at that. That must be addressed. Good short right hand.
Nabante pa rin. Still,
Jerusalem.
tinan mo, grabe sila gumalaw, no?
Oo.
Then nakita na natin, they're stepping on each other's feet, no? Diba?
Oo.
15 seconds.
Oh, the crowd
Oh,
loving the
the
action.
clash of heads, as
head.
we have seen throughout this fight.
Because
All three are in favor to the winner by unanimous decision. AJ